Thickies, welcome back to Thick Girls Guide, your official guide for all things fashion, lifestyle, and traveling. And in today's video, we are doing a Stitch Fix box. So these for me come quarterly, so you'll see these about 4 times a year. I absolutely love Stitch Fix. So I hope today's is a great box. And before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, join the Thick Girl gang, and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get into it. Okay, so like I said in the intro, I get these boxes about 4 times a year. You can get them as often as you want, or even like less than that. If you only want them like once or twice a year, you can do that. So that's what I really like about Stitch Fix, is they give you the flexibility to do it as often as you would like. If you don't know how it works, is you do pay a $20 styling fee. That is for your stylist to basically pick out everything. They ship it to you for free. You try it on, and then you have about 3 days to try everything on, and whatever you don't like, you ship back. If you do need an extension, they do have that option. So if it's taking you a little bit longer, then that's okay. Also, I have been on vacation before when a box has come and just totally forgot about it, and I just emailed them to let them know, hey, I'm out of town. And they were able to extend it even further to when I got back and would have time to actually try everything on. So they are pretty accommodating with those types of things as well. But they will send you 5 different items, and this is what the inside of the box looks like. So it comes with the return packaging. Then it comes with all this information, which is like a note from your stylist. There's like styling tips in here, the receipt for how much everything costs, the size, the brand, all that good stuff. And then of course you've got the 5 items of clothing here all neatly tacked. Okay, so let's dive into the little letter here. Okay, so this is the little receipt. Will have the total. Also, if you end up keeping all 5 items, you get an extra 25% off all the items. So they do kind of incentivize you to keep the whole box, obviously. But let's see what we've got here. And my stylist for the past few times has been Adam. He does a great job, so I usually click to keep my stylist. If you do not like the stuff that was picked out and you just want to try a different stylist in general, you can always select that option as well. You can also put in specific things you're looking for, or specific styles that you're looking for, and they'll do their best to try and, send you kind of what you're looking for. Okay, so let me read you the little stylist letter here. So, hey Andrea, happy March and welcome back to your Fix journey. It's a pleasure to be your stylist again. I'm thrilled to hear that you enjoyed your last fix. I've curated another selection of pieces that I hope you love just as much. Let's dive in and see what we have in store for you this time. To kick things off, I sent you a stunning willow maxi dress from 9 Britain. It has a flattering fit and a floral pattern that is perfect for spring and summer. For those chilly days, I sent you the bright Sadella, I think is how you say it, sweater from Vero Moda that can pair well with any pants. I can't wait for you to see and try on each of the items. So they also give you a bunch of different styling kind of recommendations with each piece that they send. So that really helps people who struggle with kind of how to style different things. So let's see. Okay, I've got my receipt here. Okay, so this first thing, oh Lord. So it is a bodysuit. I'm not a fan of bodysuits. Like they are hard to button down in the crotch area. So that is a size 3X in black with by Kylie. Kaileigh. So that is $35. So we know we're probably not keeping that one. That's all I'm saying. Ooh, this one looks cute. This is like a navy blue, and then it's got a rose gold kind of foil texture to it. And then the back of it is plain, and it's a stretchier material. And this one is by Paper Moon. It is the Reese mixed material floral print shirt in a size 3X for $39. That one looks promising. And then this one, I believe this is the same exact print of the maxi dress I ended up keeping last time. Is this the same dress? I have to go look, but I think it is. But I ended up keeping one very, very similar to this last time. I love the print of it. So I'll have to look into that if I'm getting a duplicate item. But this is $58, and it was also, I believe, by Nine Britain. Suspish. Okay, and then this next one is by Market and Spruce. Just kind of a basic olive green t-shirt. This one is the Elaine pocket short sleeve shirt, 3X, $29. And then the last one, it has to be that green sweater. Well, this is really soft. They always have such good sweaters. Okay, I don't have anything this color, so already kind of intrigued. And then this is the Vera, what was it called? Vera Moda Sedella textured crew neck sweater, 3X, and that's $54. Okay, so I mean, overall, we've got some good items. Again, the only thing I'm hesitant on is that bodysuit. And then, again, I do think this maxi dress is the same as the one I already received. So I will have to put that in the feedback like, hey, I already bought this one. I did end up keeping it because it was adorable. So let's dive into the fun part and do the try on. Okay, so this is the maxi dress from Stitch Fix. Yeah, this is the exact one that they already sent me. Actually, I think they might have sent it to me. Was it last time? It was one of my more recent boxes. Either this last box or maybe the one prior to it. But I did end up keeping it, so I do already have this. But super cute. I love the crisscrossing in the back. Okay, and here is how I would style this and actually wear this out. So I have just a denim jacket on, especially for those days where it's a little bit chillier, but overall I'll wear a denim jacket in summer. I don't really care. But love, love, love how denim jackets look with a maxi dress or maxi skirt. And then I just pulled out my cognac bag and then put on some Stunna shades. Okay, so this is the olive green Market and Spruce t-shirt. This is a 3X. It has a little pocket here, and then it kind of goes up on the sides here, and it's longer in the front and the back. I have enough t-shirts, guys. This is, I mean, it is very soft. It's a very nice t-shirt. I already have enough. I have a couple olive green ones. So while I like it, I'm not going to be keeping it. Also, it's kind of that stretchy, clingier fabric, which I do not prefer. Which I don't really prefer, so that's the other thing about it. But overall, still really cute. I just don't need it. This is the Paper Moon blouse with the rose gold little dots on it. Super, super cute. Little short in the front, which irritates me. But overall, it is very comfortable. I probably won't keep it because I don't like my shirts to come up this high. I'm not a fan of shorter shirts in general. So due to that, I probably won't be keeping this though. But the pattern of it is so stinking cute. Love the little notch neck. We've got kind of the little cap sleeves here. So really, really cute. Again, it's that length that is for me. So this is the bodysuit from Stitch Fix. And I didn't even snap it, though I think I would have no problem snapping it. Like, it fit over this big booty without any problems, which I was kind of surprised. So overall, I might keep this bodysuit, which is shocking for me because I'm not a bodysuit fan, but I do like it, like with skirts and stuff like that, where you can have that tucked in look and it's nice and flat. Overall, I just paired it with this flowy maxi skirt from Amazon, which I will also link down below. That's going to be in another haul. Just by the way, my overall kind of thoughts on this. But yeah, the bodysuit, A+ actually. A shocking one, which is the fun part about Stitch Fix. You get things that you would never choose yourself and never try on yourself. So great way to get out of your own way in fashion. So this is how I styled the bodysuit. So I have it tucked into like a maxi skirt here. Well, I guess you would always tuck in a bodysuit. But I kind of did the maxi a little bit high-waisted, put on the jean jacket over it, and then have just a super cute clutch. Overall, super, super cute. Okay, this is the green sweater from Stitch Fix. It is super, super soft, you guys. Really good quality. Like the color. But again, it's a little short for me. So not a huge fan of that. Plus I have a ton of sweaters and I definitely don't need any more. So overall, as much as I do like the softness of it and the quality of it, because it's a little short, I'm just gonna send it back because my wardrobe does not need anything I don't absolutely love. All right, so that was my Stitch Fix box for spring. The two of the shirts were a little short on me, on my torso. Again, I'm pretty tall, I'm like a 5'8". The dress I already had, and then the t-shirt, again, I just have so many of those. So what I'm actually gonna be keeping from this box is, surprisingly, the black bodysuit. Again, it's only $35. My $20 styling fee will go towards that, so it's only an additional $15 I'd have to pay. That one shocked me. As you guys saw at the beginning of the video, I was like, oh, this thing's going back. So funny enough, it's the one that I am keeping. So overall, again, if you guys haven't tried Stitch Fix, it is really fun to just have somebody kind of pick things out for you. Again, you get out of your comfort zone and try things that you've never tried before. Like apparently I'm keeping a bodysuit this time. So hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below if you've ever tried Stitch Fix. Did you like it? Have you not? Are you still with Stitch Fix? All that good stuff. And then don't forget to hit that subscribe button, join the Thick Girl gang, and give this video a thumbs up. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys.